Hey guys, so today we're gonna show you do how to change the interior lighting in a Honda Civic MK8. So we're gonna change these to white LEDs, and they'll look way brighter and look a lot more modern as well. So yeah, let's get into it. We're taking this panel off, and as you can see the light bulbs and they're proper dark. So now we're gonna switch them for the brand new LEDs. This is a brand new LED bulb. It's a 501. So yeah, this is gonna be installed right now, so you'll see. And if this doesn't work, we'll rotate the LED 180 degrees, and that should work. So we'll just rotate them, and then you'll see. There you go, look how much better that looks. So we'll update you when we get the second one, both of them on. So as you can see, it looks way brighter, looks so much better as well. And as you put the panel on, there is your finished product. So I hope you enjoyed this how-to. We'll be doing more of these videos, and yeah, I'll see you. We've already done the middle one. Basically the same process, just release the panel and switch the bulbs. So yeah.